Dinosaur noises! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It has been so long since I've posted on this channel, but I have an idea for Valentine's Day. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I procrastinated until 9:24 to throw all my stuff together. So, I have this idea. I got it off of some things from Pinterest, but we're gonna wing it and we're gonna hope for the best. We're gonna take a mirror and we're gonna like make it pretty for my boyfriend. I'm switching. Okay, I found the original inspo picture that I found when I was first looking for ideas, so I'm gonna have that posted somewhere. I don't know, either here, there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I ordered these mirrors off of Amazon. There's a hair on it. The original picture that I found, it was in a picture frame, but I ordered these Sunday, and Amazon wasn't going to get me any picture frames here by Sunday, so I decided that I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do mirrors instead, and honestly, the fact that I'm doing mirrors kind of terrifies me because I'm scared I'm going to break it. I just need one. I just have one. I think I did that pretty successfully. And there's my mirror. I went to Walgreens and I printed out all these pictures of me and my boyfriend. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my behind the scenes man Leah trimmed them for me because I cannot snip things in a straight line, so. Or should I just kind of put them all close together in the middle?
Up to you, man.
And then I got, oh no, where did they go? I got these sticker thingies, and I had this really cute idea because I found these space, not stickers. They're space related. So then I stole Leah's label maker, and I'm gonna print out a little thing that's like, I love you to the moon and back, and hopefully it turns out okay. So I'm gonna go through all of these thingies real quick, and I'm gonna pick out which ones I want and which ones I don't want. I have cameraman Leah here helping me now. So Leah just helped me pick out some of the like things that I want. I should probably organize these a little bit, but I ain't gonna. So we're gonna peel the plastic off. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Oh!
A hair! I had no idea what to do, so Leah was like, just use like Gorilla Glue. So that's what we're using. Why is such a big box for just this? Okay. How do I...
I think you open for the brush applicator.
Maybe?
It's like nail polish.
Okay. Sexy. Just gonna wing it, and we're just gonna go for it. Yeet. And now we're gonna try not to make a mess. So we're gonna take this, and we're gonna take it... That is not a whole lot of glue.
I know, I noticed that.
Yeet, yeet. I'm gonna get super glue all over my fingers. This is just a whole mistake waiting to happen.
Don't mess up.
Oh, I got it on my fingers. First piece done.
8 million to go.
8 million to go. It is warm in here. Oh no. Oh, I put my finger in the thingy. And then this one's gonna go. Yeah, I guess that's good. She is beauty, she is grace, she is Miss United States. We're just gonna like crop out 3 legs. That's good enough to me. Why is arts and crafts so complicated? This isn't even that complicated. I don't know why I'm talking crap. Don't put my finger in the glue. No! I don't know how I got super... My first response was to lick the super glue off. And I don't think that's the best idea in the world right now. Yep. That's where that's going. That's how it's going.
because it's Gorilla Glued on there now.
That looks good enough. Alrighty, next we're gonna do this one. Arts and Crafts with Casey. I don't think that looks that bad. We officially have one side done.
Woohoo.
Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. It's looking pretty good. I have one more picture, and then I'm going to do some stuff down this corner. Wow. Hey, guys. But this is what it looks like. I'm not mad at it. I think it looks pretty good so far. It's camera. Action! I gotta pee. This is why everyone searches pee vlog to find my YouTube videos. If you're not already following my vlog channel, go check it out. I have it linked down in the description. 9 out of 10 times on, especially my vlogs, pee vlog is one of the search results. And I'm like, why is it like that? But I think it's because in my description on those videos, I have a thing that says like what my favorite color is, what movie I'm watching, or what TV show I'm watching at the time, what, just like, you know, like an about me. And for my favorite color is yellow. So I have favorite color, yellow. And then in parentheses I put not pea yellow, sunshine yellow. And I think that's why people search out my videos by pea vlog. This. Last actual picture is down. It'll go there.
Don't mess up.
Okay. Cool. Got it. Got it. Cool. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Oh, I got more on my finger. I need to spell Valentines. Down the river. Okay, so Leah just went with her label maker. Leah just went with her label maker, right?
Label maker.
Yeah, that, which apparently I can't say. And let me just start that whole thing over again. So Leah just helped me out with her label maker and printed out "I love you" to the moon and back on it, and I've kind of positioned them where, well, Leah's helped me position them where I want them. Shout out to Leah. So I'm just gonna go in
if you want.
I'm just gonna go in and like put them on there. I burped. I always struggle so much to put these on. I'm gonna like there-ish, I think. Don't put the eye upside down.
Wow.
It is how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like up close. I think it is super adorable. There's the pictures of me and my boyfriend, and then like all of this stuff. He like has so many moon conspiracies, which is why I went with the moon theme. But I think it's super cute. I think it turned out really good. And I am actually really proud of it. Big shout out to my sister for helping me out with this. And I hope that all of you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see all of you next time. Bye!